Imagine having the power to create a stunning soundtrack for your latest marketing campaign or social media video in just a few minutes. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, music generation has become more accessible than ever. In this tutorial, we'll explore the trend of AI music generation and show you exactly how to create royalty-free music in minutes using a popular tool. For those who are new to AI music generation, it's essentially a process where artificial intelligence algorithms create original music compositions based on your input. This can include anything from a specific genre, mood, or tempo to even the style of a particular artist. With the help of AI, you can now access a virtually limitless library of unique, high-quality music tracks without the need for expensive recording studios or hiring a composer. To get started, let's focus on Amper Music, a pioneering platform in AI music generation. Amper Music offers a user-friendly interface